Hi, in this tutorial I am going to create a pattern using move command, circular pattern. So let's start. Press K for a sketch, select axis, then press V for vertical view, vertical or normal view. So here I am going to create a circle, give a dimension that is 50 mm, come out of this sketch and pull by 10 mm. Okay, now I'm going to create a hole in this solid body here and press V for normal view, 6 mm, give a dimension from here. Okay, 15 mm, come out of this, cut up to next. Okay, now I have to check this create pattern and drag this to center point, moving about this one. So I want 6 holes at 15 mm center, 15 mm radius PCD, and so this will be 60°. Then tab. Okay, so you can see using move command also we can create a circular pattern. So for another is also there, this circular pattern, so this also we can use, and also move command we can use for creating circular pattern. Okay, thanks.